Hey guys, welcome back to TR Tech.
In this session, let's see the installation of Angular 9 and app creation. So, how to install the Angular in our system. So, before going to that, let's see the prerequisites we need. So, we need the operating system, that is Windows, Mac or Linux, and Node.js. So Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. So in that we have NPM. NPM stands for Node Package Manager for JavaScript programming language. It is automatically installed with Node.js. While we are installing the Node.js, NPM also gets installed. So Visual Studio Code, it is the code editor. We need to write code here. So coming to this, how to install the Angular. So first, let's see, to install the Angular, we install the Angular CLI globally or locally. That's our wish. This is the command for that, and that we can create the new Angular application. After that, we'll create and run the application. So open Visual Studio Code, click on that. And go to file and open the folder, that is Angular. I'm selecting this folder. New file. Click on new file and click on this terminal. After that, we see here like this. First thing we need to do is install Angular CLI in our system. CLI stands for Command Line Interface. Using CLI, we can generate various pieces of Angular that are directories and services, components, etc. We will see in the next classes. So let's see how to install it. For this, we have the command that npm space I means install @angular /CLI -g. We need to install globally or locally. That's our wish. There is no problem if we don't put this. So let's press the enter. If you see here we are installing globally or locally. There is no problem. First time we are doing, that's why it will take some time to install. If you see here, it shows that it's already gets installed. So here npm installed Angular CLI. npm stands for Node Package Manager and CLI stands for Command Line Interface. So let's check the version of this npm. For that, we have the command that node-version. Click on enter. So here you can see that here is the version of Node. So let's see the version of Angular, that is ng space _version. So click on enter.
So if you see here is the version of Angular and the Angular CLI details are here. Here it is showing that the version is 9.1.5. So we got everything need to run our application. So this is all about the installation of Angular, and in the next session we'll see the app creation of Angular. Please support me and subscribe our channel for more videos.